Hello. Let's learn some colors and 2D shapes. Purple color, light pink color, orange color, dark blue color, dark pink color, sky blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color, brown color, dark green color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Rectangle. Pentagon. Circle. Pink color. Triangle. This is triangle. Light pink color. Green color. Circle. Circle. Orange color. Pentagon. Pentagon. Orange color. Yellow color. This is rectangle. Yellow color. Rectangle. Yellow color, light pink color, orange color, green color. Rectangle, triangle, pentagon, circle. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.